Hello everyone, it's Sunier from KOVE Factory Racing Team. We are at Xinjiang Turpan right now. The extreme environment and challenging road conditions here serve as the ultimate test for an ADV bike. Today, my KOVE 625X and I are crossing the beautiful Tianshan Canyon and the challenging terrain of Turpan. I will provide a professional analysis of its real-world performance. Let's start with its off-road capability. 625X has a ground clearance of 200 millimeters and a 195mm suspension travel. These specifications were put to the test on the rocky sections of the Daido, especially the KYB front suspension. It's not the same setup used on the 500X, but has been retuned and features a 2mm increase in diameter. When tackling continuous bumps, it provides ample travel and subtle damping feedback. It filters out the uncomfortable small vibrations and offers enough support during hard braking. Even with 3 full boxes, it maintains excellent off-road capability. In terms of handling, it inherits the excellent genes of KOVE and has further evolved with a focus on lightweight. The optimization of the chassis and rider triangle makes the transfer of weight during standing riding feel very natural. On the continuous curves, the seamless connection between rider and machine provides an impressive riding experience. On the vast highways leading to Hami, cruising at high speeds is effortless. 625X's wing protection is excellent. More importantly, even with all 3 boxes fully loaded, the bike remains incredibly stable at speeds of 150 kilometers per hour. There's no unsettling wobble, and the steady, grounded feel greatly enhances the safety and comfort of long-distance touring. This is thanks to its C-optimized monocoque frame design, which increases rigidity by 38% while keeping the curb weight at 218 kilograms. Combined with a scientifically designed aerodynamic layout, the bike remains stable even in crosswind conditions, without any unsettling feeling of drifting. Compared to its previous model, this improvement in high-speed stability is, in my opinion, a significant change. In terms of comfort, switching from road to desert is just a button away. The adjustable windscreen and instrument panel design are also very practical, providing the best visibility, whether seated or standing. The 21L fuel tank offers a range of over 500 kilometers, completely eliminating range anxiety. Safety features like blind spot monitoring and a dash cam provide crucial protection in complex road conditions. It's worth mentioning its braking system. The front brake uses a radial 4-piston caliper, paired with dual brake discs, a setup clearly superior to many competitors in the same class. In actual riding, whether on highways or unpaved roads, it provides the rider with ample confidence and stable braking performance. From Turpan to Daido, this test has shown that 625X embodies all the qualities expected of an excellent ADV. Although the bike I'm riding isn't the final production version, and there are still some details to be optimized, I can already feel the continuous improvement and excellent tuning that has been refined since the 500X. This includes exceptional off-road capability, handling, high-speed stability, and comprehensive safety features, among others. I'm rider Sunier, and I look forward to meeting you on the road.